What's up, guys? I'm a little stressed out due to this whole work issue, background check and fingerprints and stuff like that. So I decided to come to Williston, Florida with Kelly. I've never been here, so she brought me because I told her I want to go somewhere like spectacular to bring drone shots to you guys here on the tube and Instagram, obviously after YouTube gets it. But if you guys are not following me on Instagram, the link is in the description and at the bottom of the video. Look at this, you guys. I feel like I'm in tropical paradise, and you guys know I'm already feeling like I'm on vacation. Obviously, I'm waiting between contracts. I decided to go ahead and relieve my stress, I guess. Alright, well guys, since I stupidly cut myself, we're gonna take my other battery and we're gonna go to the Botanical Garden area where I may be able to fly my drone, but I'll definitely be able to bring you guys in there with the camera and get you guys some pictures. So, if you guys haven't liked the video yet, definitely do that. I can't do that because I done messed up my thumb, but just do it for me. And comment down below. Let me know if you guys have ever been to this Botanical Gardens ever in your life. Look at Lexi. Look, Lexi, what are you doing? We're not even going fast. That's the entrance, you guys. Coming in here, there's this weird hanging, I don't know what we want to call it, cactus by chains. You got the bathroom, outhouse, plant for sale. Probably some little water garden over there. That's where you pay. So $12 for adults, $7 for children. Active duty is $6, and you gotta have your card. Oh, that hurts so much, you guys. I'm gonna have to surgical glue that thing later. There we go, my boo-boo's all good. I'm back to normal, you guys. I can fly the drone, I hope. It does hurt though when I bend it. That's pretty cool. I want to build one of these in my backyard. Ah, that's pretty cool how it runs down thing and through here. That's so cool. I love how that looks. Now you guys don't know, I did landscaping for a long time, and I'm into nature. I can grow things. If you guys don't know about that, then you don't know about it. Wow, wow, it's hot in here. This is what, dude. This is what a greenhouse feels like when it's humid. Every type of cactus down here in Florida. Look at this one, you guys, all furry. Or is this just?
They aren't all native. A lot of the stuff here is Japanese.
Wow. I don't like cactuses because you get boo-boos like this. Alright, that's enough cactuses. There's a lot in here. Got some massive tortoises. African spurred tortoise. Lifespan 80 to 100 years.
He's in his house.
A leopard tortoise. Lifespan up to 100 years. Some humans don't even live half that. Lexi, you want to stop pulling me, boo-boo? I know you're happy. Huge koi fish, you guys. We got a orangish one, and we got a white one right there underneath that rock. Hopefully I can get it right there. Oh, he just moved. Massive. And over here we got some cages. I don't know what. I don't know what's inside. It doesn't look like there's anything. Oh, that used to be dog cages? I guess they have a pet cemetery in here, you guys. This is different. Oh, right here.
Yeah, you see the big cross.
So there's one there, one there, one. Oh my God, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 11. Oh my god, there's more back there too. That's nuts.
Well, I mean, if you had 200 acres, I'd have
Oh my god. Yeah, Lexi, I know. You can smell your kind. Let's see. What's that? Huh?
We can go down on this cable bridge right now.
Cable bridge? Oh, staff only.
But you can walk across.
Oh, staff
You can
only
take a-
on the other side.
Yeah, you can take a photo in front of the waterfall.
You ready, Lexi? Go ahead. Good girl. Oh, so sweet. There's so many koi fish, you guys. Look how big they are. Massive. She wants water, that's why. Come on, Bobo, you need water. Go. Go. Hey, boo boo. That is so pretty. I was gonna use the word beautiful, but Lexi, over here, boo boo. You can't be over there. Yeah. We just came down from over there and we walked down on this little pathway, and now we're on this pathway right here. So seems like this is the area. Oh, I guess we can't go over there. That stinks. But whatever. But that is, looks like the path right there. Too bad. Alright guys, so I just got clarification that we can go ahead and set the drone off in the middle of this botanical garden. I think I'll do it across the bridge. Go check out that little picnic seating area. Set the drone off, get some aerial footage, and keep on walking until we finish this botanical garden. So hopefully you guys are liking the video. Smash it. Oh, there's a cactus right here. I wonder how many people have got poked by that. Is that really stairs down in there?
Yeah. A long time ago, you used to be able to like get down there.
Really?
You used to be able to swim in the pool a long time ago.
A long time ago. That's so cool. I really want to go swimming here, but I don't think you can. Oh my god. That is awesome. This is so spectacular to actually see this stuff. I know it's like earth-made and human-made, and it's not 100% natural, but it's definitely enjoyable to see a place like this. Well, honestly, I thought I would go ahead and wait till we got to the little thing. What? What do we call that? A gazebo. Yeah, I keep on forgetting what those things are called. We had one in Beverly in Massachusetts, but we were gonna go ahead and do it over near the gazebo, but it seems like we have way more area right here for a landing platform, because earlier that's where this came from. So we are here and we are gonna set the drone up. So you guys can actually see on these rocks they have people's names, and they name pools after people. So I'm assuming this is one, and right behind me you have some stairs that go into this pool. So I'm assuming over there's gotta be the plaque with the name on it. There's another waterfall over there. Look at, come on, Lexi, go. Go ahead. Doesn't matter. Go ahead. Lexi, quick. That's pretty neat. I don't want to get my camera wet. So we were up there earlier. We walked all the way around and then it's up near that path, tree fort thingy up over there. So this isn't the bigger waterfall. Lexi, come here. Are you having fun? Are you having fun, boo boo? Alright guys, we are about to leave here. Cedar Lakes Botanical Garden. Such a beautiful setting, you guys. If you guys want to come here to relax and, you know, relieve some stress, it is definitely a place to just sit down, and if you're an editor like me, sit down and edit and just relax. That's all I came here for, is just to hang out and see beautiful views like this. We're going to another spring, so maybe I'll give you some footage in the end screen. So if you guys like this video, you guys like my drone shots, let me know if you guys want more drone videos. I gotta say, I've been able to relax and not stress about my job situation right now. I think I have everything situated and I'm solid. I got a lot of support in my background, especially you guys. You guys follow me wherever I go because you guys watch my videos, and I appreciate everybody staying tuned in and smashing the like button. I gotta get going, you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification so when I do randomly upload, you get that notification that this is a new video. So you guys, this is so cool. You guys definitely have to come here. And until next time, be easy and stay tuned. Peace. You guys, this is so cool. So you can go Come on, keep walking. Yo! So cool.